Hello family, nice having you here. You're welcome to this channel. Today is just going to be a simple one. As a content creator, I just want to show you the gadgets I'm actually using for my content, and also want to tell you what really happened to me. Okay, actually I had these gadgets. I bought 3 of them the same day, okay, which I'm going to show you the 3 of them. This is one of it. So after I bought 3 of them, I actually made use of just 2. Ask me why. I really don't know why. Then the third one, I kept it. Actually kept it in a cupboard, in a wardrobe. This is something I actually bought to make use of. Okay, but I was so comfortable with what I have had around that okay, it was effective for me to use. So I actually did not see a need for it. Till today, somebody actually asked me a question. Do you have this item? I'm like, yes, I do have it. He said, are you using it? I said, no. He said, why are you not using it? I just started laughing because this is something I bought, very expensive. It's even higher than the other 2 items I bought. Why are you not using it? I was actually dumbfounded. I didn't even know what to say at all. Okay, I actually told her, oh, I'm going to go and get it out to set it up to use it. Say, please use it. Use it. It's very important. Okay, so I actually brought it out from the wardrobe. From today, I'm going to set it up and I'm going to start using it. And I think it's going to be of a great benefit to our videos while making our videos. So sit tight, watch out how I set it up, unbox it, and set it up with me. Okay, these are the gadgets. This is it. This is a late light. Okay, and so this is a stand. It has a stand. So this is what I have been keeping in my wardrobe cupboard for a long time, for months. I got this since last year. And I was just so comfortable with the lighting I have, thinking it's okay, it's the best, you know. So that's actually what I've been using ever since. But today I had to, like, somebody had to ginger me and like, don't you have this? Or do you have this? You know, so I had to like sit back and say I have it. I brought it out. So just sit tight and watch as I unbox. Let's do this together. That's it. This was the second thing I bought. And the third thing is the stand that I'm using now to hold my phone. I'm going to still show you. So this is the stand. Let's set it up together. Okay. Okay. This is no. This something fell down. Okay, so this is the light. This is the light. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. The gear is for the battery. I have 2 batteries here. Rechargeable batteries. I believe you can see. Okay. So let's do it together. Let me sit down well. Okay, family, this is, yes, this is the light. Okay, this is how it looks. I've showed you how it looks. Yes, so that's how it looks. Okay, so we are going to fix this here. What the battery is, we can use the power cord. Okay, so this is the hose. That's it. Okay, Let's couple it together. Make sure this is strong. Okay, so this is increase. Let's not increase the height. So this is for the power. Okay, so where to fix the power cord? Okay. Okay, it's behind. It's behind. Yeah, we did it well. Okay, so you plug this to the. So you use this. This is the rechargeable battery when there is no light for you to be able to connect it direct to the power. Use this, and this is the charger for this. Okay, so we are not going to be needing this, but this is where you fix it. These two places are where you fix it. You don't use the battery and the cord at the same time. So let's on it and see if it is working. We get okay. Let's try it here. Let's try the light here. I think we'll also try the battery too. Sorry, I've not used this. Okay, let's do it here. Okay, let's see it up here. Let's plug it here. See, do I have to open this? I believe you can see. Let me bring the camera closer so we can see it together. Okay. Okay. We got it. So you can now change the colors. This is how it works. You off it. Okay, you want white background, you change it. This is how it looks. We got it right. So that is it. My light is being set. So that is it. That is the back view. This is the back view. Okay, this is the front view. Take it back. This is the front view. I believe you can see it. So our light is up and going. So this is the battery. So when there is no light, you use the battery behind it. So that is that. Oh, we are done. Our light is up again. Then you can adjust it. Yes, look at. You can increase the length. You can increase the length. You can reduce it. You can increase it. You can reduce it as you want it. So you can also change it to white color, the LED light. This is the yellow color, mixed color, and just the yellow color alone. So my light is up again. I think now we are going to be getting more clearer videos with this. Okay, thank you so much. So this is actually the second gadget. This is actually the second gadget. Okay, I got. Okay, so let me show you the third one. Let's see, the third one is the third one we're actually using now. Let's see. Let me show you the third one. So family, these are the three gadgets that I am going to be using. I was actually making use of these two, this stand, the phone stand, and the mic. But now my light will be included. Yes, I'll make use of my light. Thank you so much for unboxing this with me. Stay tuned up to this moment. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, comment, and like my videos, and also share them. Yes, please do. Thank you so much. Bye.